All right, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
I study. I'm a student of MPhil education. I have just submitted my thesis to my supervisor and waiting for my results.
All right, let's make a start. Do you often use maps like Google Map or any paper map?
Yes, I often use Google Maps, particularly when I go to other cities. Like I'm from Azad Kashmir, and when I go to the city of Pakistan, I usually use the maps.
Okay. Is it easy to use paper map or electronic map?
Um, Paper maps are difficult to use, but for me, electronic maps are very easy to use.
Why?
Because we use electronic gadgets all the time. We have cell phones in our hands, and we can easily get where you have to go.
Is it better to use a map or ask a passerby if you are lost?
I think it's quite better to use maps because maybe the people guide you the wrong way, and you can go the any other destiny.
Okay. Have you ever got lost?
Yeah, I lost it many times. And I faced very difficult times.
Okay, your answers are extremely short and you are lacking proper explanation in your
All
answer.
right.
And you use the word losted. The word losted doesn't exist in English language.
All right.
It's
Lost.
lose, lost, lost.
All
So
right.
lost is already the third form of it, second form, right? So try to elaborate in 4-5 sentences minimum. Otherwise, examiner will increase the number of questions. Now we move on to speaking part 2. This is your topic and you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, I have a gold ring in my jewelry collection, which I found very pretty and beautiful. Also, this ring is very close to my heart. And 2 years back, I visited to a gold shop, and there were very plenty of gold items. But I found a very little cute gold ring, and I told my mother that how cute is that, and I wish I could buy it. Now I could buy it, and it is made of gold, and it's a round ring having pearls on it, and just like a diamond engagement diamond rings, and it is very beautiful because my parents gave it to me on the completion of my degree. That is the reason it is very close to my
Okay, you
heart.
could speak a little more. It's less than a minute.
It is very special to me. I wear it only special occasions, and I don't use it on daily basis because I want to keep it long with my.
All right, thank you so much. So in part 2, you spoke for less than a minute. Try to elaborate it further. And in actual exam, when examiner interrupts you and examiner says, okay, thank you, then you should stop. Now let's go on. It's speaking part 3. What type of objects do you have from your childhood?
I have a toy. I have different types of toys in my home from my childhood. It's like a teddy bear, a doll, and a small, telephone type something. I have.
Okay. Are there any traditional objects in your country?
I'm sorry again.
Are there any traditional objects in your country?
There are many traditional objects in my country, like I don't know how
All
to
right.
explain.
See that you need to come up with ideas. In
Yeah.
speaking part 3, they test your ability to handle
Explain.
typical questions and all that.
Alright.
So now you need to focus speaking part 1, part 2, part 3, and then
Alright.
you'll be fine, right?
Alright.
Thank you so much.